Hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, a 4-star Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's still Thursday, June the 23rd, 2022. In this additional, we have 7 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve. I've already solved the Sudoku with 3 stars. And there are 3 puzzles left: the Sudoku with 4 stars, Tectonic with 4 stars, and the binary. Well, why I solved the half of this additional? Well, otherwise it will be a day job. Too much for me and time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. So half of them I will solve. And let me continue with the second puzzle, Sudoku with 4 stars, number 4744. And before I start, I always count up printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have 1 1. We have 2 2s. We have 3 3s. 4 3s. Okay, the 3s are a lot. 1 2 4s. 1 2 3 4 5s. 3 6s. 4 7s. Wow, 3 and a 7s. 2 8, 3 8s, and 2 9s. So the 3s and the 7s are in majority. So let me start with the 7 then. Let me scan first. Well, it will be difficult. Well, here 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this row, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. Here 7 in the third column, so no 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column, 7 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 7, should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see here 7 in the last column, so no 7 there. Here 7 in this column, so no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 in this row should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 7. Let me go to the number 3. 3, 3. Well, it will be difficult. 3 in this row, 3 in a row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. Alright. Then 8, 2, 2. 5 in the last row, 5 in a row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then 1 2 3 4 5. 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 9. We have a 4 and a 9 in this row. So no 4 and a 9 in these 3 boxes. The 4 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row. So no 9 there. 9 should be here. And a 4 it goes there. 4 in the last row. 4 in a row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this column. So no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4, 4. Okay. 5 5 5 5. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. Okay. 2, 7. 1, 2. Yeah, we have here 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 2, 7. That means we have a 7 in one of those 3 boxes in this row. So this box cannot be a 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. Alright. Okay. 1, 1, 1, 1. Yes. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number is a 1. Well, we have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, 1 in one of those 3 boxes in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing, the 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have an 8 in the last row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So there will be 3. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. All right. Okay, so we have an 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the third column for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. Then. Let me see. How about the number? Yeah. Yeah. 2. 2. Let me think. 5, the 6, 5, 6, 9. I'm thinking. Yeah. 2. Where is the opening? These 3 missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 3, 5, and 6. 3, 5, 6. And look, we have a 3 and a 6 in this row. So no 3 and a 6 in this box. The 3 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 5. Alright. 5 in this row. 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in the last column. So no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 in the more, that box should be a 5. And this box should be a 1. 5 in this row, third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. You see here 5 in this column, so no 5 there. Here 5 in this column, so no 5 there. Only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 5. All right. Okay. Then. How about the 4 in this column, the 4 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be 4, and this box should be 9. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. We have a 6 in this row, middle row, so no 6 there, 6 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 1 box left in the middle row for number 1, the 2 is missing. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 and more. That box should be 6, and this box should be a 3. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 2 boxes left in the last column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. The 8 is missing and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have an 8 in the second row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright. Then. Then, let me see. 1, 3, 6. Wow. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Well, we have a pair. We have a 3 and a 4 in this column. 3 and a 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 3 and a 4 goes in these 3 boxes. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Well, we have a 3 and a 4 in the third row. So no 3 and a 4 in this box. The 3 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Alright. Then. Yeah. Well, excuse me. 3 times a lady, yes. Apologies. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, 1, 9. Well, 3 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing number in the first row is the number 9. Number 9. Well, look We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in this box. Here 9 in this column, so no 9 in that box. Here are the numbers 3 and 4, so here can also not be a 9. So one box left for the 9 in this first row should be there. Alright, 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing, 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in this third row, so no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore, that box should be a 4, and this box should be a 3. 2 missing numbers in the first row. 4 numbers, 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this column. Oh, yeah. No 3 there, 3 should be here, the 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in the second row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in the second row, so no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 6. 2 missing numbers in the second row. 4 numbers, 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square, the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. The 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have an 8 in this column. No 8 there, 8 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Well. Then. Let me see. What? 2 and a 7, okay. These 2 missing numbers in this column, those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 7. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Final 2 numbers of this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Well. Is this really a 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later on with the other 2 puzzles. The binary and the tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.